here, little check your mirror, just gently brake. It doesn't often happen, but we're gently braking there to manage our speed going down the hill.
Yeah.
Because if we didn't brake there, it would have gone quicker. So a lot of the time, just checking your mirror and backing off your gas is fine for a set of lights, isn't it? But when it's downhill like that, that's not enough, and you fixed it really well. All right, little point, but an important one. Very rarely do you have to brake coming in towards a set of green lights, but that's one of them. All right.
Plus there was a bend as well, yeah.
Good, yeah. So you're already assessing your speed that you need before the lights for the bend. Yeah. Perfect. Really good.